So here is my action camera, that is Eken H9R, that I have ordered from Banggood around a month ago. On 22nd of January I have placed the order, and today finally I have received it. So it's been almost a month that I have been waiting for this, and उसी का ही आज अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं. We have got this camera packaged, is very nice. They have packed it in a very well manner, uh, and this is the beautiful Eken H9R camera. Looks very nice यार, बहुत अच्छे दिख रहा है. Packing is also very good. Looks very premium also. You can see the camera, the packaging was very nice. And बहुत एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत रिसर्च के बाद ये कैमरा मिला, तो कैमरा मैंने लिया इन बजट. इट एक्चुअली कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 4,200, and after some discounts I have paid around 3,800. So I believe in this budget this is the best action camera. I have been going through like many reviews in YouTube and all. It can capture in 4K 30 fps, or else 2.7K and 30 fps, then 1080p 60 fps, then 720p and 120 SD. Then it has super wide angle lens, 170-degree, waterproof housing up to like 30 meter underwater. Then Wi-Fi है, inbuilt Wi-Fi, multi-language है, storage like micro SD card storage है जो included नहीं है, we have to buy it separately. Battery 1050 mAh lithium battery है. सो ये वाला जो ऊपर का जो माउंट है वो ओपन करने के लिए यू हैव टू पुल दिस रबर अप, देन प्रेस दिस एंड पुश इट टुवर्ड्स बैक साइड. तो एकेन का जो कैमरा वो बॉक्स खोलने के बाद मेरे को इतना सारे कुछ मिला. आई थिंक इट्स ए ग्रेट डील इन दिस बजट. आपको 3,800 में इतने सारे कुछ मिल जाएगा एक्सेसरीज. And finally the most important thing is the remote. See here we can see like two buttons, one is red, one is gray. The red one is for the still photo and the gray one is for the video.